Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best foundation palette is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any makeup artist's kit, offering a spectrum of shades to perfectly match any skin tone and undertone, allowing for seamless color correction, contouring, and highlighting, ultimately enabling the creation of flawless complexions for diverse clients and personal use, making it an indispensable item for achieving professional-level results with ease and precision. Number 5. Laura Geller New York Baked Balance-n-Brighten Powder Foundation, Light. Discover the secret to a flawless complexion with our award-winning powder foundation. It's designed to perfect your skin effortlessly. Watch as it expertly color corrects, evening out your skin tone for a truly balanced look. Achieve a naturally radiant appearance. Enjoy customizable coverage that feels incredibly lightweight. You can build it up from light to medium, depending on your needs. Experience a beautiful demi-matte finish that looks like your skin, only better. It provides a natural, non-cakey feel. Application is a breeze, blending seamlessly for a smooth and even result. Get ready to glow with ease. Our light shade is perfect for fair to light skin tones. It brightens and enhances your natural beauty without looking heavy. What we like? This foundation offers award-winning color correction for a flawless base. Its baked formula ensures a natural, demi-matte finish that looks like your skin. If you're looking for a foundation that corrects and brightens while maintaining a natural look, this is the one for you. What people say. The coverage is buildable and isn't heavy. I also have the kabuki brush and I like that I can have variations of coverage in different areas and it will all still blend together seamlessly. The blurring and brightening effect is just beautiful. It has given me my natural glow back. It gives great coverage without feeling heavy, and it leaves a natural, even finish that looks polished but not cakey. Number 4. Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour and Highlight Kit. Discover the Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour and Highlighting Makeup Kit. Achieve a perfectly sculpted look with this versatile palette. Feel good about your beauty choices. This foundation and concealer palette is proudly vegan and cruelty-free. Unsure where to start? We've included easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the contouring process. Sculpt and define your features with ease. This kit provides everything you need to create your dream makeup look. Experience a flawless finish with our blendable cream formula. It conceals imperfections and highlights your best features effortlessly. What we like? Achieve sculpted features with this cream contour and highlighting kit. It's vegan and cruelty-free, making it a great choice for conscious consumers. If you're aiming for a more defined and chiseled look, or if you prioritize ethical beauty products, this palette is an excellent option. What people say. Creamy. Goes on smooth. Good coverage. The cream is of good quality, does not wear off over the course of the day, and layers well. The shades are versatile. The quality of pigments truly is such good quality, and this makes it so easy to apply and blend. Number 3. Stainless Steel Makeup Mixing Palette. Achieve flawless makeup application with this essential tool. Its smooth surface is perfect for blending foundations, concealers, and eyeshadows. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this palette is built to last. It's easy to clean and resistant to staining, ensuring a hygienic makeup routine. Ideal for makeup artists and enthusiasts alike, it's perfect for mixing colors and creating custom shades. It's also great for nail art applications. This set comes complete with a stainless steel spatula. Use it to hygienically scoop and mix your products without contamination. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makeup palette makes an excellent stocking stuffer or present for any beauty lover. What we like? This makeup mixing palette is crafted from durable stainless steel with a convenient 3-well design. It comes with a spatula, making it a complete set for mixing. If you need a hygienic and long-lasting tool for precise color mixing, especially for professional use or detailed work, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This palette is a game-changer for my makeup routine. The shades are perfectly matched to my skin tone, and the formula blends seamlessly. I love how versatile this palette is. It can be used for both everyday wear and special occasions. The pigmentation is excellent, and a little goes a long way. Number 2. Acrylic Makeup Palette Set. You will receive 2 handheld makeup mixing palettes. These practical beauty tools are designed to make your makeup application process easier and quicker. Crafted from quality acrylic, these palettes are built to last. Their clear appearance allows you to easily see your mixed colors, ensuring they match your skin tone perfectly. Designed for comfort and control, these palettes fit snugly around your hand. This allows for better handling of your cosmetics and improved application skills. These palettes are perfect for mixing foundation, nail polish, lipstick, creams, and liquids. They help keep your hands clean and prevent your cosmetics from getting messy. Each palette features 4 convenient grids, allowing you to mix up to 4 different colors simultaneously. This prevents unwanted color mixing and streamlines your creative process. Measuring approximately 3.15 by 3.15 inches, they are suitably sized for most women. The design ensures a comfortable grip for effortless makeup application. What we like? Get a set of 2 handheld acrylic palettes for easy makeup application. Their clear design allows you to easily see your mixed colors. If you prefer a lightweight, easy-to-hold palette that keeps your hands clean and offers great visibility for color matching, these are perfect for you. What people say? This palette is amazing for foundation application. The different shades allow for perfect color matching and contouring. It's very easy to blend and creates a natural finish. Number 1. Luxspire Makeup Mixing Palette. Achieve seamless makeup looks with this essential tool. It's designed for effortless blending of all your favorite cosmetics. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this palette offers a professional feel. It's perfect for artists and everyday users alike. Use it for foundations, eyeshadows, lipsticks, and even nail art. Its versatility makes it a must-have in your beauty kit. This set comes complete with a convenient spatula. It ensures hygienic and precise application every time. The smooth stainless steel surface is easy to clean. Maintain a hygienic makeup routine with minimal effort. Simplify your makeup process with this all-in-one mixing solution. It's the perfect companion for creating custom shades. What we like? This professional stainless steel palette is designed for artists and makeup enthusiasts. It includes a spatula for seamless blending of various cosmetics. If you are a makeup artist or someone who enjoys experimenting with different shades and textures, this durable and versatile tool will elevate your mixing game. What people say? Spatula is metal. The mixing area is large enough for not only my skincare products but whatever you wish to do, foundation. This item will last you until forever. Isn't heavy and fits in the tiniest of spaces. I can mix my foundation and other products, lotion, setting spray, glow serum. The tool that goes with it works well and I felt like a professional makeup artist. It is a perfect addition to my daily makeup routine and makes my foundation and concealer go on seamlessly. I used to dab my brushes on the back of my hand before applying makeup, but now I have this cute heart-shaped mixing palette. It's also good for tapping loose powders before applying. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.